Hey everybody, this is Steve with DIYauto.com. Today we're replacing the driver's side blend door actuator on my Fiesta ST. So let's get started. When your blend door actuator goes bad, you'll hear a ticking sound every time you turn on the car. Let's listen. Awesome. Here is the part number for the actuator. There's a link to purchase it below. Before getting started, make sure you turn your AC system off before you turn off your car. So to replace the actuator, we have to remove the shroud around the steering wheel. So the upper and lower covers. There are 2 screws you have to remove. One right here. One right here. So we're using a T20 Torx bit on these 2 screws. There's also a screw right here. With the screws out, you can pop these shields off. So this can just stay up here.
Ta-da!
Next, move the steering wheel in the highest and further out position.
Like it.
This is the actuator. Right there, you can see the bolt, the plug, the other bolt. So there's 2 bolts. Just have to undo those and undo the plug. Not a lot of room, but it's in there. It's the same T20 bit. Not a lot of room at all. To get an idea, you can see the bolt sticking out. So that's where it is. So the second bolt is that one up top right there. So we're gonna get that. Both bolts removed, you have to unplug the actuator, so you can see that little red guy. You just gotta push that out and then the plug should come out of the actuator. As you can see, it is now unplugged. The little red thing actually fell out. We'll want to put it back in probably. So now we just have to pull this thing out. There, just popped right off. Ta-da! So the broken gear is actually inside of here. So you can see where the actuator goes right there. So we need to get it somewhat lined up so that the missing tooth will actually fit in. So you can see on the one we pulled out, it was kind of in this 2 o'clock position. New one, it's in like a 6 o'clock position. So we'll have to rotate. So if you look down here, there's a little gear. And if you turn it, once again, not much room. Turn the gear, it'll stop focusing on my arm. You can turn the door. So you want to match it with the new one. So it looks like it's about here maybe. We'll have to look at it. Okay, so I got it on, roughly. There's a little boss right there that'll help you locate it. So now we'll plug it in and start screwing the screws in. Okay, so it is on. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to turn it on and see if it makes the same terrible noise that it did before. So it's turning, no sound. Okay, so now that we've torn up our forearms fairly nicely, we can put these things back on. Okay, now it's time to put these screws in.
Ta-da!
Check out DIYauto.com, the ultimate gearhead encyclopedia, for the best DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.